Isa ka ba sa mga vloggers or new YouTubers na naghihirapan pa rin mag-isip kung ano ang niche or ano ang magiging focus ng iyong YouTube channel? Well, hindi ka naliligaw. You are on the right video. So, make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video because I'm going to give some niche ideas for this year and also some ideas on how to monetize that specific niche. Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Legaspi, and for today's vlog, meron na naman tayong panibagong tutorial. Okay, but first of all guys, ano nga ba ang niche? Niche or niche? Alright? Niche or niche. Okay, so what is a niche? Alright, niche is ito yung magiging theme ng iyong channel. Or ito yung magiging uniform or bihis ng iyong channel. Is niche really important? Or is niche really essential to a YouTuber? Yes. Okay, so before we start a YouTube channel, guys, so we have to decide kung ano nga ba yung niche na gusto nating pasukin. Alright? Because it will really help our growth channel. The importance of niche is dito tayo makakakuha ng mga targeted audience. So, targeted audience, they are the one who is the right audiences for that specific niche. Bago tayo mag-isip ng niche, guys, dapat maisip muna natin or malaman muna natin kung ano yung targeted audience natin. For example, sa akin, ang targeted audience ko is mga small YouTuber like me na nagsisimula pa lang din. So, kung alam mo na yung targeted audience mo at alam mo na yung magiging target niche mo, kakagain ka ng maraming subscribers and maraming audience. Alright? Na possible na magiging hook sa iyong mga videos. Yung mga targeted audience natin ay kadalasan sila yung magiging organic viewers natin sa ating mga videos or sa ating vlog. Alright? So, they are the one who are possibly are going to watch the videos from the start until the end. So, importante guys na from the beginning pa lang ng pagsisimula natin ng channel is alam na natin kung ano yung magiging purpose ng ating mga channel. Or alam na natin kung ano yung magiging niche at alam na rin natin kung sino yung mga targeted audience natin. Sa previous video ko guys, I have shared there kung ano nga ba yung mga reasons kung bakit tayo magsisimula ng YouTube channel. Right? So, if you want to watch that video, I'm going to share the link as a card here para naman mag-guide ka before starting the YouTube channel. Before going to the main topic guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, you may comment down below kung ano pang naiisip mo mga maaari kong pang i-topic sa aking mga next vlogs. It will be helpful for me. So, without further ado, let's go to the best niche ideas and how to monetize them video. Number 1 is unboxing. Unboxing vlogs. So, ito guys, yung niche na very good for beginners. Bakit? Kasi ito yung napakadali. So, bibili lang sila ng item and mag-unbox. That's it. Marami nanonood ng ganito guys kasi maraming gustong ma-surprise. Kahit ako, gusto ko na naso-surprise. Natutuwa ako sa mga unboxing vlogs. How do we monetize unboxing niche? Okay, so we have 3 ways of monetizing this kind of niche. One is via affiliate marketing, sponsored videos, YouTube ADSENSE. Ano nga ba yung affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, ito yung maglalagay ka ng clickable link sa yung description and this link will be redirecting to another website. Yung website na yon may mga merch, may mga paninda, may mga ibinibenta at once na si viewer mo na nag-click ng link na yon, namili or bumili dun sa website na yon, magkakaroon ka ng pera. That's how affiliate marketing works. Okay? So, second is sponsored videos. So, for example, si seller na binilihan mo sa Shopee or sa Lazada, namigay sa'yo, binigyan ka ng freebie or binigyan ka ng nag-sponsor sila ng any item or any brand sa yung channel. Babayaran ka nila just to promote their store or their products. So, that's how sponsored videos is about. Next, number 3, how to monetize unboxing videos is YouTube ADSENSE. So, alam naman natin, ito yung pinaka-basic. Once na na-reach na natin yung requirements ni YouTube, pwede na tayo mag-apply ng monetization kay ADSENSE. So, ito yung maglalagay ng ads dyan sa ating mga videos. Next, number 2 is tech and gadget reviews. Marami sa atin na bago bumili ng mga gadgets, bago bumili ng mga computers or laptops, nagre-refer tayo muna sa YouTube, diba? YouTube or sa Google, naghahanap tayo ng reviews kung ano nga ba tong item na to bago natin bilhin. Maganda nga ba yung reviews nito? So, kung ikaw ay magaling mag-explain, magaling ka mag-research, mag-conduct ng research sa isang brand or sa isang product, at magaling ka mag-explain, magpakita nito, maganda ring niche ito, guys. Because technology niche is isa sa pinakamataas or high CPM value sa mga videos. If you want to know more about CPM, meron akong video na ginawa for that, and I'm going to share that link also sa aking video na to. Just click it. How do we monetize tech and gadget reviews niche? So, same thing as unboxing, meron tayong tatlo: affiliate marketing, sponsored videos, and via YouTube AdSense. So, alam na natin kung ano yung tatlo na yan. Next is food and restaurant reviews niche. Okay, sino nga ba naman, guys, ang ayaw sa pagkain, di ba? Sino nga ba naman ang ayaw kumain sa labas? Hello there, all you food lovers. So, this niche is really for you, for us. Ito actually yung pinaka-favorite niche ko. So, we can try local restaurants, you can try local food, and give it a review or give it a content. Gawa natin ng content yung pagkain na yun, gawa natin ng content yung restaurant na yun. So, how can we monetize food and restaurant reviews niche? Okay, one is via YouTube AdSense and also sponsored reviews. YouTube AdSense, alam naman natin kung ano na yun, di ba? Sponsored reviews. So, may mga restaurants na nagbabayad sila or naghahanap sila ng mga vloggers na babayarin nila just to review their food or just to review their restaurants. Alright? So, that's how we monetize this kind of niche. Next niche is cooking videos. Alright? So, cooking videos. So, related na naman sa pagkain, guys. Alright, so kung ikaw ay mahilig magluto, kung ikaw ay mahilig mag-experiment ng mga pagkain, then this kind of niche is for you. It's time to record na and get caught in the action while cooking. So, record mo na yan and make that passion into money. And how to monetize cooking videos? One is via YouTube AdSense and also sell recipe books. Pwede ka magbenta ng mga recipe books or pwede ka rin magturo ng pagluluto. Okay, another niche is about makeup and beauty. Okay. So, ito, napaka-common ito sa mga babae, sa mga mahilig sa mga makeup at mahilig sa pagpapaganda. So, if you are one of those people na mahilig sa makeup, mahilig sa mga beauty and skincare, then this niche is for you. You can try creating various looks, doing makeups on the camera. Siguro alam niyo naman si Leticia, di ba? Ito yung kanyang niche. Napakarami niyang viewers, napakarami niyang subscribers. And ang daming ways kung paano ma-monetize ang makeup and beauty niche, guys. So, we have 4. Affiliate marketing, sell courses and personal coaching, also sponsored product reviews, and via YouTube AdSense. Okay? So, that's it, guys. My top 5 niche ideas. Okay, 1 unboxing, 2 tech and gadget review, 3 food and restaurant review, 4 cooking videos niche, and 5th makeup and beauty niche. If you still have more niche ideas, please feel free to share them sa comment box, and we're going to talk about that on my next vlog. Guys, if you find this video helpful and informative, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell button para naman like ang updated sa mga bagong uploads and bagong videos. And thank you, guys, and see you next time on my next vlog. Magandang buhay sa ating lahat. Goodbye!